Python operators. Python operators. Operators are used to perform operations on variables and values. In the example below, we use the plus operator to add together two values. For example, see here print plus 5, here plus is operator, the result returns 15. Python divides the operators in the following groups: arithmetic operators, assignment operators, comparison operators, logical operators, identity operators, membership operators, bitwise operators. First, let us see Python arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators are used with numeric values to perform common mathematical operators. See here, this is the addition operator, subtraction operators, multiplication operator, division operator, modules operator, explanation operator. When we, this is the example, here the code we have written. When we use plus, it is added. When we minus, it is subtracted. When we use multiplication, it is multiplied. When we division operator, it is divided. When we module operator, is percentage. When exponentiation operator, see here, is 32. See here, this is the codes, this is the answer. Just follow this carefully. Now, let us see assignment operators. See, these are all assignment operators are used to assign values to variables like this. Comparison operators. Comparison operators are used to compare two values. Equal operator. See here, it returns false because 5 is not equal to 3. See, now we are using not equal operator. It is true because returns true because 5 is not equal to 3. Greater than. See, x is greater than y, returns true because 5 is greater than 3. See here, it returns false because 5 is not less than 3. See here, it is true because 5 is greater than or equal to 3. It is false. See here, false because 5 is neither lesser than or equal to 3. See here, it is true because 5 is greater than 3 and 5 is less than 10. It is true because one of the conditions are true, 5 is greater than 3, but 5 is not less than 4. See here, reverse and result return false if the result is true. False because not is used to reverse the result. Now, identity operators. Identity operators are used to compare the objects, not if they are equal, but if they are actually the same object with the same memory location. Returns true if both variables are the same object. This is is operator. We are using is operator. See here where Rose, Lily, ZX, print x is z, returns true because z is the same object as x. See here, it is true because x is not the same object as y even if they have the same content. Not equal. To demonstrate the difference between is not and not is equal to, this operation returns false because x is equal to y. See here, Python membership operators. Membership operators are used to test if a sequence is presented in an object. See, in operator, not in operator. In operator returns true if a sequence with the specified value is present in the object. X in y, Rose, Lily in x. Returns true because a sequence with the value Lily is in the list. Not in. Returns true if a sequence with the specified value is not present in the object. X not in y, Rose, Lily, print Jasmine not in x. Returns true because a sequence with the value of Jasmine is not in the list. Python bitwise operators. if AND operator, if you use AND operator, sets each bit to 1 if both bits are 1. OR operator sets each bit 1 if one of two bits is 1. XOR sets each bit to 1 if only one of two bits is 1. NOT inverts all the bits. 0 fill left shift. Shift left by pushing zeros in form the right and let the leftmost bits fall off. Signed right shift. Shift right by pushing copies of the leftmost bit in form the left and let the rightmost bits fall off. Okay friends, this is the end of part 11 operators. In next video, let us learn about another topic, lists. If you like our program, please like, subscribe and press bell icon for our next part video updates. Thank you friends. Meet you in next video. All the best.